cash takes center stage in this week's video. In the previous videos, I've looked at turnover, I've looked at profitability, but this time cash has to take center stage. It is the most important financial number that you will have in your business. It's your number one priority. And in this video, I'm going to talk you through what cash actually is, why it is the most financial important number that you will meet in your business, why it helps towards your survival, your prosperity, and your growth. Hi folks, welcome to another weekly episode on my channel, I Hate Numbers. My mission in life has always been to get businesses to get better acquainted with their best friend in business. And your best friend in business is your numbers. Your numbers won't lie to you, they'll be there in the good times and the bad time. The closer you get to your numbers, the more in control you are of your destiny, the more you are in control of your business, and the more you are in control of your life. Let's crack on with the video. Now, firstly, what is cash? Well, cash is what we might sometimes call money. It's this, it's the physical notes, it's the notes that we can see in our purse, in our wallets, it's the coins, it's the money that flows in and out of our bank account. Money is not the promises we make to people when we order goods or we deliver goods and services. It's the hard cash that we see deposited in and leaving our bank accounts. Now, why is cash the most important financial priority? Well, it's important for a number of reasons. If you have staff, if you have employees, when it comes to the end of the week, the end of the month, you need to pay them and they want to be paid in cash so they can actually operate their own personal lives. Paying them in promises, paying them in buttons just won't cut it. If you need to invest in your business, buy new equipment, buy new plant, new software, new ways of working, cash is a thing that makes that happen. If you've borrowed money, then your lender will want cash to be paid back to them, not promises, not expectations, but cold hard cash. Taxes need to be settled in cash as well. You need to pay yourself. It's fundamentally important that in your business that you reflect yourself as an important asset, and you need to pay yourself. All those things you need, cash is the thing that makes the wheels move. Many businesses in life have been very profitable, but come a cropper because they run out of cash. Now, what can we do to actually keep an eye on the cash and make our cash flows better? Now, a little treat for you. Next week's video, I'm going to be going through, more specifically, a cash flow forecast, how we actually build one, and demonstrating how we put the numbers and figure out the numbers that go into our cash flow forecast. Don't think of a cash flow forecast and a financial plan as a straitjacket. It's critical to realise your life and your business aspirations and goals. Whatever those goals are, whether it's actually pivoting, taking on new staff, growing, a financial outcome that you desire, a financial forecast will help you get there in a much speedier and more efficient time. Now, the key things you can do to manage that cash flow is think about where cash comes from fundamentally, and it comes from customers. So having a good credit control system whereby when people take on your goods and services, you deliver your promise, you get paid on time and within your terms of business. When you order goods, make sure that you're getting the best value for those goods and purchases, and make sure you pay them on time. Managing costs, managing the income, more particularly the cash flow side of things, is a thing that will keep the lights on and the wheels turning. Folks, I hope you got some value from this video. I'd love it if you could obviously give it a thumbs up, a comment, a feedback. I'll answer all the comments that you will share. Until next week, folks, have a great week.